Seen by everyone. I'm sure a lot of you must have noticed this slogan across Dubai. So Saudi Arabia's largest out-of-home media company has now launched itself in Dubai, and that's Al Arabia. So when Al Arabia decided to come to Dubai, all the way from Saudi Arabia, they wanted to go big and fast. That's exactly why they chose to work with us to manufacture over 100 digital assets and get them installed across Dubai. Entire fabrication process, all the foundation works and the civil works, including installation of the screens. Throughout the last 6 months, we've already done an extensive installation process with not just the megacoms, but also the LED bridge screens. So if you're wondering how we did this in such a short span of time, that's only because of our new facility in Quain. Today we have 100,000 square feet in Quain dedicated just for our out-of-home media clients. So if you've been stuck in traffic in Arhesa Street, Motor City, or even on Al Khail Road, you've definitely come across one of these signs that was installed by us.